All right, it's the middle of summer. It's July and it's raining. Rains almost every single day here in Virginia. I'm still not used to it. And I just love the sight of rain and sunshine at the same time. And I want to give you a quick little garden tour of the front yard. It's the main street. Everything's glowing right now. The road is steaming because it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees. And yeah, so let's start over here. So here we have my little Japanese maple tree that I absolutely love. It's sparkling after the rain. It just looks magical. It's one of these lace leaf Japanese maples. And then here is a native succulent I found up in the mountains in Virginia. These are all cool rocks that I collected. Here's a Japanese painted lady fern. And in here I propagated a bunch of mondo grass, this stuff right here. Slowly but surely filling in. And then put all this moss in here just for funsies. Here is the little pagoda thing that I found in the backyard that I dug up. It's glowing in the sun, and I covered it in moss, which is really fun. And the moss is surprisingly growing. Over here I have more of that succulent that I found up in the mountains. Some more different kinds of moss. And here's another one of these painted Japanese ferns. Yeah, I accidentally threw a bunch of garlic stuff right there. Ignore that. But yeah, I planted just a whole bunch of the mondo grass. Slowly but surely it's filling in. Over here, I have a monstera stem, which hasn't produced any leaves yet, but it's starting to slowly root. Some little succulents. My prized mangoes and lily. These two mangoes just sprouted up a whole bunch of new leaves. This one here also popped up a bunch of new leaves. They're two grafted varieties. And over here, we have a giant pumpkin. This pumpkin's like 5 weeks old. Every day it makes like 10 new leaves, popping up like crazy. We have wild Japanese maples sprouting in the ground everywhere. It's really cool. Here we have a mixture of lilies that just did a big bloom. Some random flowers that I keep picking. I think those are cosmos. 2 more pumpkins. And then shaboom, shabangi. Giant sunflowers, which have yet to bloom, but they're gonna bloom soon. And over here, we have a little bit of a flood, but Lily and I have been collecting mussel shells from the beach to use as drainage. More sunflowers, some random bushes. This one I still need to give a trim. Grass is so green and wet. Lily and I planted a whole bunch of other flowers over here. And here's our big Japanese maple, the one that's responsible for all the baby seeds. But yeah, it's just pretty magical here in the middle of summer. I almost didn't first show you the best part. What's the best part, Lily? What is it? What's the best part?
We have babies.
We have little baby tadpoles. They're really cute. We've been growing them since they were eggs, and now they're about as big as maybe like a little bit smaller than my pinky now. And here's one of the last lilies we just picked from the garden. Yeah, another beautiful day in Virginia.